Hello, fifth grade, and welcome to the last lesson on Native American music. So this week I have a drum with me, and I'm going to have a few little rhythm challenges that you can play along with me. And if you do not have a drum, you can very easily, if you're maybe sitting at a table or at a desk, you can just drum on the desk. It'll create a similar sound, or you can do some kind of body percussion with your hands. You can tap, or you can even stomp the rhythms. Whatever you have available, if it's a desk or maybe just body percussion, or a drum if you have one. All right, so we're going to start simple and then get a little bit harder as we go on. So I'm just going to start with a nice steady beat. So listen to me first, and then it'll be your turn to play. All right, so for that steady beat, notice how I'm only really playing with the ends or the tips of my fingers. So I want you to do the same thing, but focus on only playing with the tips of your fingers, either on your desk or with body percussion. All right, ready, go. All right, this time what we're going to do is play with our whole entire hand. So notice, I want you to listen how the sound changes from when I'm playing just with the tips of my fingers to when I'm playing with my whole entire hand. All right, so did you notice the sound changed? Here's whole hand. And here's fingers. All right, so now what I want you to do is we're going to do 4 times with the tips of our fingers and then 4 times with our whole entire hand. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, then whole hand, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's do that. 4 fingertips and then 4 times with your whole entire hand. Ready, go. Alrighty, I am going to play a pattern and I want you just to listen to it and watch my hands the first time. All right, so this time, if you think you got it, I want you to play along with me. Ready, go. All right, so notice how I'm using those 2 different types of playing with the fingertips, and then at the end I have that whole hand sound. So we have 2 different sounds going. We have fingertips, and then at the end, for that last beat, I use my whole entire hand. So fingertips, whole hand. Alright, so if you missed that the first time, I want you to focus on playing the beginning with your fingertips, and then that last beat is with your whole hand. Alright, ready, go. Alright, so that's all for our drumming today. And for the last part of the lesson, I want you to go back to Schoology and take a look at that little Google slide that I have with all of the links and checklists for this week. And this week I have a Flipgrid link. So go ahead, click the link to the Flipgrid. I want you to answer the question that I asked in the Flipgrid and record your own little video response. All right, so that's it for this lesson, and I'll see you next time.